Welcome to today's guide, where I'll show you how to change the language on WhatsApp updated with the latest version. Whether you've just downloaded WhatsApp or you're switching to a new language for convenience, this quick walkthrough will help you get it done in seconds. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Make sure you're using the latest version from your app store for the smoothest experience. Once you're on the main chat screen, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see three small dots. That's your menu icon. Tap on it. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can manage everything from privacy to chat preferences. Now, scroll down until you find the option labeled App Language. Tap on it. You'll see a list of available languages depending on your phone and region. WhatsApp automatically detects your system language, but here you can choose whatever language you prefer, from English to Spanish, Hindi, French, Arabic, or dozens more. Simply tap on the language you want, and WhatsApp will refresh instantly with your new selection. The entire interface, menus, buttons, and messages will switch to your chosen language without needing to restart the app. And that's it. You've successfully changed the language on WhatsApp. It's a simple step that can make your experience more comfortable and personalized. If you ever want to switch back or try a different language, just repeat the same steps. Open WhatsApp, go to the three dots, tap Settings, then App Language, and pick your preferred option. For those who use multiple languages, this feature is especially handy. You can easily toggle between them anytime you like. Now, you know exactly how to adjust WhatsApp to the language that feels right for you. Make it yours, explore, and stay connected in the way that suits you best.